This is Onicha Owerri Road, one of the busiest road you can find within this axis. Earlier today, being Tuesday, we went to this location to go and explore it and see what is currently looking like. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we explore the Onitsha Owerri Road to go and see what the place is currently looking like. But currently we are still around that Ebuka junction side. I wanted to show you guys something here, but I was unable to capture it clearly. So I noticed something in the morning when I was heading towards that Owerri Road. I noticed something around this Ebuka junction. You know, those market women are now selling along the road, making the whole place to look congested. So from here I also apply on this particular Lagos bridge around that Lagos Park, to cross to the other side, and I notice a very bad choking smell around this place. And I want to say that people applying on this particular pedestrian bridge are really trying. Like, the place has a choking smell. It's not like I can't even stay there for more than 2 minutes. Honestly, the place is very smelling. So this is actually Owerri Road. From that flyover, I was at that flyover, then film towards going to the Owerri Road. So back to what I was saying before, that particular pedestrian bridge is very dirty, and beggars on top of that flyover, dirtying the whole environment, and also urinating there. And I'm thinking that they are even defecating around there, which I could not find, but I know for urinating definitely they are doing it, because the place has one kind bad choking smell. And these are some of the things the government is supposed to look into, which they are not doing it. And apart from that, we also have another one at MCC. We have another one at Uga Junction. And I can tell you that I've applied on those three flyovers, three pedestrian bridge, and I can tell you that all of them has a chicken smell. People are urinating on top of that pedestrian bridge, which is very bad, and beggars have occupied almost all of them. The one at MCC, the same thing. This one at Lagos Park, the same thing. Then that one at Uga Junction, almost the same thing. The only one that is a bit different from them, I think, is the one around the plastic axis, which I don't know by now may have gone worse like the others. Honestly, the government supposed to do something. Maybe chase away those beggars, make sure those places are clean, because forcing people to use those pedestrian bridge, and along the line the place is very dirty and smelling. Like, honestly, it's not everybody that like that kind of choking smell. I will be sincere, like people like me, I don't it doesn't go down well with me, sincerely speaking. Like, those making use of it are really trying. Those are the things government supposed to look into. Honestly, if those beggars still want to be staying there, they should mandate them to be cleaning up the place and make sure it's very neat and smells good. Honestly, if they are not going to do it, they should evacuate them from that place. It's better. Like, I filmed a lot of drainage system today around that area, and all of them are still very unkept. They are not even yet doing it. The one they have around that should I say, around that flyover, that under bridge flyover, there is gutter, there's some kind of gutter they are trying to clear around that place. They have removed the whole sand from the gutter and they kept it on the road. Like, they are waiting for rain to fall and take back the sand inside the drainage system. This is very bad. If we want to do cleanup, let us do it once and for all. That is my own take on this. So like I said earlier, we are already at Owerri Road. We have entered the Owerri Road from the initial thing I told you guys. So this is the looks of Owerri Road. So throughout last year, I think motorists are passing through here to apply on this road. There is a lot of potholes, a lot of dilapidated areas within this road, but I think it's not from this area. Like, the dilapidated side is from the other end, from the other side of the road. This side is more manageable, like it's more okay than the other side. Even when that side was very bad during raining season, I think some motorists are even following one way from this side. So when I'm coming back, I will show you clearer view of that place. So we actually visited to explore the road and see what is currently looking. And when we get there, we noticed that I think the state government have patched some of those bad areas, those very very bad area. They have find a way to patch them, and I think they are still doing other minor patchings, because we still find some chippings, or should I say stones, along that road. And though again, there are some also still little potholes around there, those minor potholes, not as big as the old one that was there before. So I can say that they have tried. So we keep on waiting until maybe towards raining season. We will see how the place will looks like. We know that the place need total reconstruction. I will say the place needs total reconstruction, and it's a federal road which is connecting Anambra State to Imo State and connecting other Anambra town. So they're supposed to do something about the road, which is total reconstruction, and make sure that the drainage system on the both sides of that road are cleared, make it clean, and so that flood can pass freely when they are moving there without interfering on already tied road. Because I can tell you that when it's raining, if you come around here, you will notice, you will, understand what I'm saying. So the next thing I will also talked about is that if you are watching closely very well, you will notice some refuse site, or should I say dumping site at the middle of this road. People are actually using the middle of this road to do a kind of a dumping site for refuse, which is very very bad. And these are some of the things we are still saying. All these things cannot stop. Honestly, it can't stop until proper thing is done, providing all the major markets in Anambra State with what they need in order to be able to pack their waste products, and as well made yourself available to pick those things up when it's due, not leaving them there until they are filled to brine and start returning everywhere. So guys, very soon we will get to Obusi interchange, where we will do a U-turn, then take you guys to the other side of the road to go and see, show you what is currently looking like. So this is the Obusi interchange, and this is when we did a U-turn. Finally we are heading back to to around the electrical market in Obusi. So this is the looks of the Obusi interchange currently. So honestly, some places in this particular area has been covered with bushes. Always, whenever it rains, towards raining season, it's always been covered with bushes. And I think they should find a kind of lasting solution to it. Maybe cultivate flowers around there, or do a kind of concrete or whatever on those ground, so those grasses will stop growing rapidly around there. So we just passed the electrical market in that Obusi axis. So, and this is another refuse dumping site. This is a very popular refuse dumping site. Everybody that apply on this route know this particular place. I think this is where every refuse that is being packed along this area, or should I say elsewhere, are being dumped. Sometimes they will come and burn them, but along that area, people are being, I don't know what they are actually doing there. They are just causing traffic along that place, making the place to look congested and the rest of them. A lot of work just need to be done within this Owerri road axis. Sincerely speaking, within this Owerri road axis, a lot of cleanup need to be made. The road needs to be reconstructed, honestly. So we can watch clearly, see the looks of everything. You can see that before there's big potholes around this road, but right now those big potholes is gone. They have patched everything. I think they did this particular job last year, December. I think towards December, that's when they did this patching. So very soon you will still see the remaining stones along that road, maybe showing that they are still working or something, or maybe they will still go and patch the remaining one that one is part of the stones I'm talking about. So just be watching. See, this another one. So you can see that there are no other bigger potholes along this road. They have patched everything. Before, there is heavy potholes around there that's always for container bodies and the other trailers, including boxes. So but they are no longer here again. They have patched every thing. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and don't forget to share the video. Give us your own take via the comment sections. And if you are the type that has been applying on this road, kindly also tell us what do you feel about this patching. Do you think total reconstruction is necessary or not, and what do you think will be the everlasting solution to this dumping of refuse everywhere within these houses? So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us your own take via the comment section, and do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye.